Hey guys, Skipp Phipps, Master Certified Instructor for the Ding King Training Institute in Missouri. And I've been in the PDR industry for 26, 27 plus years now. And I love it, and I love teaching it. I've had a lot of years of experience teaching, and been fortunate to be in a lot of different environments, whether it's hail chasing, guys that are setting up storms, and or being in auto auctions or wholesale. Just been fortunate. Also been fortunate to be around a lot of the pioneers in our industry and have learned a lot from them. I love teaching just because everybody's got a why. I love figuring out what that is. PDR can be the what to help you accomplish your why. For me, I had 3 young boys at home, a young family. I needed something more than just a job. I needed a career, something that gave me back what I put into it. And PDR was that thing for me. And it's been something that I could take anywhere, any place, anytime, and could help accomplish my why. And I love hearing from students that this is their what, but their why is as varied as the people. And the PDR industry is something that you can get as varied as the people are in it. You can get out of it what you put into it, and that's what I was looking for. And I love helping people find. I look forward to having you on my Missouri campus, getting to know you, and helping you accomplish your goals and the things that you want to do. Thank you. See you soon.